Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a card to your digital wallet for Bank of America. The first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and launch your digital wallet app. So either it's your Apple wallet, your Google wallet, Samsung wallet, any of that. You tap on add a card and you can go ahead and scan the card, or you can enter the card details manually as well. Okay, so right there you'll see your name, your card number. Just confirm that, tap here on next, enter the expiration date, security code, right? If it's picked up, perfect, or you can just type it in and then tap here on next. And now, as you can see, it is actually setting up this card for Apple Pay. Just wait it out, and then there you go. You just agree to the terms and conditions, and this card will actually be added to your digital wallet for, the Bank of America card. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.